You've identified a perfect bullish order block. You place a buy limit, price taps in, and instead of bouncing, it aggressively slices through your stop loss. This chart shows the immediate aftermath of that exact scenario. The price drops through a structural support floor, hits your stop, pauses, and then violently spikes upward and break green, moving exactly where you originally predicted. In this moment, you weren't wrong about the market's direction. You simply provided the necessary sell-side liquidity that institutions required to fill their buy orders. This specific pattern, a failed order block that facilitates a sweep of liquidity, is known as an ICT Breaker Block. It is a cornerstone of the inner circle trader methodology, which focuses on tracking institutional footprints. By recognizing this pattern, you can treat a failed level not as a loss, but as a high-probability entry signal used by large-scale market participants. Phase 1 is the Liquidity Sweep. A sharp drop pierces a previous low, triggering retail stops in a stop hunt. Phase 2 is the Market Structure Shift, violent displacement upward that breaks the prior swing point, closing well beyond the initial high. This initial sweep is what gives the setup its power. Without taking out that previous low first, you are likely looking at a mitigation block, a setup lacking institutional backing, with a lower probability of success. The mechanics are driven by a shift in institutional bias. To move the market higher, institutions first sell to trigger retail stops. Once orders are filled, they flip their bias and protect that exact level. As price breaks upward, retail traders who sold at that initial high find themselves offside. Their forced buying, a frantic rush to cover losing short positions, adds massive momentum to the upward displacement. Consequently, the breaker block acts as a structural footprint, showing exactly where accumulation occurred and where retail pressure is being released. To find the highest probability version of this trade, we look for the unicorn setup. This occurs when we layer the breaker block with a second technical tool. This chart highlights a fair value gap, or FVG. An FVG is a price imbalance created when a rapid move leaves an empty vertical space between the wicks of 3 consecutive candles. In this setup, the FVG acts as a magnet, drawing price back, while the breaker serves as a floor. The unicorn appears when the FVG and the broken high overlap perfectly. Success here requires the discipline to wait. You must allow the price to retrace and perfectly tap into this specific confluence zone before executing the trade. Combining a breaker's institutional support with the magnetic draw of an FVG aligns 2 independent markers of intent in a single price range. Identifying the zone is only the first step. To maximize your risk-to-reward ratio, you need a precise method for placing your entry order. Professional practitioners use the mean threshold rule. This provides a mathematical standard for finding the optimal entry point within the breaker zone. This diagram shows the calculation. You measure exactly 50% of the real body of the breaker candle, while strictly ignoring the wicks. This 50% level represents the equilibrium of the candle. Institutions often reprice to this specific balance point before continuing a move, making it an efficient location for a buy limit order. Precision entry must be paired with structural protection. Placing a stop loss just behind the candle body leaves you exposed to minor fluctuations that don't invalidate the trade. Instead, place the stop loss completely below the furthest extreme wick of the initial stop hunt. If price returns here, the institutional narrative is invalidated. Mastering the mean threshold and the logic of stop placement allows you to execute these setups based on the objective mechanics of institutional order flow. To begin applying these concepts, backtest on the FXNX charting suite, leverage 0.0 pip spreads, and download our breaker block checklist. Link in the description.